Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, we are refreshing the living room and we are putting our Christmas pillows. Well, it's not our Christmas pillow. I use my same pillows, but I put covers. So that's what we're going to do. And I got a sweep. So for now, I'm going to put everything here. And I know Diamond is going to climb on the couch. She always does that to look out the window when the couch is by the window. I do not know if I'm going to move my couch because I have my Christmas tree up. You guys can see a little bit in the corner of the video. So yeah, guys, I was so sad. I recorded a 20-minute video showing you guys the process. Oh. If you would have seen me, you would have been laughing. I'm telling you. It was funny, but at the same time, I was frustrated. But for some reason, my camera swallowed the video. So maybe I was not supposed to show my frustration, but it was nothing. Being frustrated and cussing is a different thing. But not cussing, but I was frustrated because when I went to put it up, it was just, my Christmas tree is a flock tree. So it was all coming down on me and my allergy was so bad. But we managed. Guys, she turned out so cute. I did a 5-minute video. That's gonna come up, of course, before you see this. Guys, I'm doing Vlogmas, and I don't even know what number is this Vlogmas. But, yeah, this is part of the Vlogmas. Oh, my goodness, I threw one of my rolls. I was also cleaning my room, and I threw one of my ribbon rolls in the trash. I just noticed. My trash is open. So yeah, guys, how are you guys doing? Are you guys done decorating? Are you still decorating? Of course, my table here. No, guys, this table is not decorated. This table, I've been just putting stuff in it, and it's been collecting stuff. Some things are gonna stay, some things are gonna go. But I've been decorating slowly but surely. So getting ready for a home tour. Yes, getting ready for my home tour. You will see my bathroom, my kitchen, everything. You're going to see my whole entire apartment. I never used to show my bedroom, but I did it last time. It was fine. And, sometimes something should stay private, but as long as you get permission. And when I say get permission, I don't have to ask permission, but I like to consult with my husband if I could show the bedroom or not, because that is something that is very private. But he's like, no problem. So, yeah. So, and for those people, they be like, oh, she have to ask permission. I am a married woman. I've been married for 36 years. And when you do something that involves your home, I believe that you should discuss it with your significant others so it will not create any problems. At the beginning, my husband always said, do not show our bedroom because that is something that it needs to stay private. But then, as the years went by, he's like, we are living in a small apartment because we used to live in a 13 square foot home, and including our front porch and our back porch and deck was 16 square foot. But since we live in here, this is a 900 square foot apartment. It's not much that I can show you the refreshing and stuff. He's like, sure, but we do have, this is a 2-bedroom apartment. We do have an extra bedroom, a 2-bedroom, That's where my grandson stays when he comes and spend the weekend with us. And so I decorate that bedroom very masculine because that's where my grandson stay. And then of course I have the master bedroom, which is the one that you guys see. I decorate that very feminine. But yes, guys, doesn't mean because my bedroom is very feminine. My husband doesn't spend. My husband, yes, we do sleep in the same bedroom together. Just for those people that they have ideas that we do not sleep in the same bedroom. Yes, we are old fashioned. Like I said, 36 years together, but we love each other like we just got married. I'm telling you guys. So, so I am sweeping here, and I'm going to vacuum my little couch. Oh, I don't want to bother her. Look at her. She's in the little corner right there. She's, oh, my princessy, baby. I'm talking about you. She knows when I talk about her. I'm telling you guys. They know. They know. So, the curtains, they were brought down. They were, my husband put them in the laundry. And I put them up. I put them up again 2 weeks ago. I never told you guys that. But yeah, the they were washed already. I'm going to keep them because of the gold. And also, I do have a set of curtains that look just like this, but it's completely red. I may use those in my bedroom because, like I said, winter is coming, or I will go green. I don't know what I'm going to do with my bedroom, but I really, honestly, guys, I really don't know. I really don't know. All right, let me put my pillow covers together on my pillowcases, and then I'll bring you guys back. All right, guys, this one, you guys know where's this from? This is from the Dollar Tree. I bought this last year. I never used it. The quality, I mean, what can you expect for $1.25? You guys can see it's coming apart there. But I know how to sew, and I have a sewing kit, so I will be sewing that together. And if that happened to you and you don't know how to sew, you could just take the hot glue gun and just put a little bit of hot glue gun and hold it there and close it. The zipper, I don't recommend you to close all the way because, as you guys can see, if you do, it's going to come off to the end, and it's gonna come open. Other than that, they're okay. Maybe just for use. Do not cuddle with this pillow because it's gonna come apart with you. But just for props and for looks, it's okay. And then these ones are the ones that I got from Shoppers World. They were $4.99 each, and I have this for quite a while. I have used them all the time, so those are the ones that I'm going to use on my little couch. And of course, I will be using my little Christmas throw, so it will match here with everything that I have. So guys, let me put this together for you. Princess, you have to move, baby, and then you could come back. Come on, get down. Get down. She's looking at me like, what are you doing, mommy? So I like to put this here because, as you guys know, my baby, she does. My service dog only going on his recliner. Come on, baby. Come on, let's get down. Let's get down. No, you don't want to get down. She don't want to get down. She's moving over, but she will not get down. I'm telling you. I will have to do it. Can I get you down? Come here. Come on, guys. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm telling you guys. Let me get her down the couch. She's too much. That's what it looks like. I am going to put the gingerbread man on the middle, and the reason why is to bring the beige gold color down. So there it goes. And I know some people like to do the karate chop on their pillows. I don't. I don't. Everybody always, do whatever they like. It's your home. You decorate it how you like it. And also I have a beautiful gold tie there. So now let's see, guys, what I'm going to do with the table. The table is a mess. As you guys can see, my table is horrendous. It's a mess. So, of course, I gotta take this stuff out. The last thing that I will be doing is my coffee table. So, but yeah, guys. So are you guys done decorating for Christmas? Or you still have some touches going on? I mean, what's going on in the part of your world? Of course, I have to clean all that stuff full of dust. I still see. I'm telling you guys, I still have some fall stuff around. So I really don't know what I really don't know, honestly, guys. I don't know what I'm going to put here. I was editing a video earlier, so this is my computer. Put it over here for now, because I'm going to edit this video as soon as I'm done recording it. So I don't know what. I think I have to look for I have maybe I don't know if I'm going to put my gold runner here, because it might be too much. I really, guys, I don't know what I'm going to do with this one. Maybe I'll leave it plain. I don't know. Anyways, let me find a runner for this table and polish my stuff, because I'm keeping my red things in there. And then I'll bring you guys back. And I gotta go in my closet, see if I can find some poinsettia flowers, because I just realized I don't think I have any more poinsettia flowers. But if I don't, I will just leave it with white roses and white peonies. So I'll bring you guys right back, okay? All right, guys, I couldn't find anything that I want to put on my table. I really didn't. So we're going to start with a clean surface. A clean surface. I mean, even though this has green, this type of green, it goes with that. And my plants are green, but that would be too much green. So I didn't want to go. So I'm just gonna leave it plain like it is. And we're going to use our, of course, these are thrifted items. I got this from, I believe, Saver thrift store. They are candle holders. So we'll place that there. There, and of course, you guys know my daughter's photo and my grandson. I also have this, this was thrifted a long time ago. This little reindeer. I'm talking about a long time ago. I mentioned in one of the videos that I did a while back. It looks like the ones from the Dollar Tree, but now that I am looking at them, the quality is much better. So I really don't know where it is from. And to make it Christmassy, let's add these two trees from the Dollar Tree that you guys saw before. So I'm just going to leave it like this. I do have my, of course, I'm taking this stuff out. And I have my red um I don't need to put my peonies or white flowers in there. I do have let me get the flowers together. I do have, I'm going to use red roses, and I'm going to use white poinsettias. So I'm going to do that. All right, guys, I am done refreshing my living room. This is what it looks like. Here is my table. I turned off the light for you guys to be able to see the little candles flickering. This is what I did. I have my table is not made, of course. I have a candle there in the center. And of course, you guys see some little lights over there. And my fireplace mantle. From that side over there, you guys don't want to see, because like I say, guys, as you clean one room, I'm going towards the living room, because I even took out, you know what? I'm going to show you, because not everything that you see on YouTube is sugar coated. So as you guys can see, I am cleaning. I'm changing my house to Christmas. So it's like taking out fall. I'm packing Christmas. So I took out one of my tables. It's right there. You see the mess in the hallway. So all that stuff now I'm going to pack, and then I will be placing those boxes in my in the pantry that I use as a storage room. And I will clear out the hallway. The table is going to be decorated for Christmas. I do have more Christmas decor. My kitchen is a little messy right now because I've been cooking. But yeah, guys, this is what my living room refresh looks like. So let me turn on the light, guys, and hold on, okay? Let me turn on. I don't want to make anybody sick with the movement, so let me turn on the lights. There you go. With the lights on, you guys can see it clearly. I love my vintage style Christmas. So guys, let me come over here and leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Guys, I broke a nail. I broke a nail. So you guys know these are my nails. See? I broke a nail, guys. So it's time to clip them. I clip them once a month, and I haven't clipped them. And this is in a month. This is in a month. You see how long they are? So I'm going to be clipping them. So guys, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye.